Hey guys, the following video today, it's going to be of us getting a baler, well, the baler as part of the hay equipment. I am waiting on my adoptive father now, so I figure I'll start the video, do the intro here, so yeah, and then go back later on, do all the edits and yada yada yada. But I'll probably have the camera with me, unless if he takes it off my hand, then who knows, I'll probably be recording on my phone on the tractor I'll be taking down to where it's at. And down there's the chain and stuff that we'll be using, hopefully. Matter of fact, it'd be the smarter way and easier way on doing it. But we are going to try to get my grandfather's tractor started, and if we can, hopefully I can get a video of that as I'm going down, then possibly him having the camera going back on the Kubota, probably pull, and he'll be pulling the baler. Don't know if he'll record any or not, but we'll just have to wait and see. So hope to get this taken care of, and thanks for watching and enjoy the video. In this part of the video, we are getting the baler prepared to be unloaded, and then in the next part following will be the unloading of, even though the next part of the video hasn't came yet, but I just wanted to actually do the voiceover for the next part, because it gets kind of loud and you might not be able to hear me. But the tractor being used to unload the baler is my grandfather's John grandfather's Deere. Old tractor. And first and foremost, I'm going to say it's an honor to be able to use the tractor to do the jobs that we do around the farm. And because it wasn't charged all the way.